boys and girls. Today we're going to look at story problems that have the word more in them. Come see what I have on the table. So there are 4 things that we must include when we do a story problem in math. First, we must make sure that we have either a picture or a graph. Second, we must make sure that we label either our picture or our graph. Third, we need to make sure that we show our math work and show the equation that we used. And fourth, we need to write a final sentence. So I'm going to show you how to do all 4 of those things in a story problem with the word more today. First, let's read the whole problem. Brad caught 27 spiders. Wow, that's a lot. Alexis caught 9 more spiders than Brad. So that tells us that Brad caught 27, Alexis caught more than he did. How many spiders did Alexis catch? So that's what we're trying to figure out, the number of spiders that Alexis caught. So first I want to show either a picture or a graph. I'm going to show what I know from the problem. I know that Brad caught 27 spiders. Now when I do a story problem, I'm not going to make a really fancy picture because then it would take me all day. I'm just going to represent the spiders with circles. And I'm going to do it in groups of 10 because we always look for groups of 10 in math. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are my spiders. And then I need another 10 because he caught 27. So 10 plus 10 makes 20. I still need to show the other 7 spiders that he caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here's my picture. It's almost like a graph, isn't it? I need to make sure though that I have labels because otherwise you can't understand what I did. First I'm going to show that this is Brad's collection here. So I'm going to write his name. Whoops. Brad. Okay. Now these are his spiders. I'm going to show that this is 10 and this is another 10 and this is 7. 10 plus 10 plus 7, maybe I'll show it this way, are the 27, and I'm going to write the word spiders. Okay. Now I need to show what Alexis has. It says Alexis caught 9 more spiders than Brad. So I could use this picture I made for Brad and just add 9 more, and that's going to give me the number that Alexis caught. I'm going to do it in a different color because that will help me see it better. So let's see. I'm going to put 1 here. 1, 2, 3 to fill up that 10. And then I need 4 more down, or excuse me, I need 6 more down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make sure I got that right. Alexis caught 9 more spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now I can see how many spiders Alexis caught. Because we've got 10 here. We've got 10 here. And now look, this is no longer 7. This now I've made a 10. So I've got 10 plus 10 plus 10. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I've got 6. So if I put them all together, I'm showing how many spiders Alexis caught. In fact, I'm going to put Alexis's name over here to show that the blue ones are how many more that she caught. So now let's show our math work. We've got our equation here. Let's show the work to put those numbers together. 10 plus 10 plus 10 makes 30. Now we've got to put the 6 with it. 30 plus 6 equals 36. Let's see if I've got everything I need from my list. Have I got a picture or a graph? Yeah. Have I got labels? Well, I showed that these are Brad's, these are Alexis's spiders. Math work and equation, here it is. I showed that I had to do addition. And my final sentence, I don't have that. My final sentence needs to repeat the words from the question. How many spiders did Alexis catch? Alexis, and I'm going to use the past tense of catch, which is caught. Alexis caught 36 spiders. Wow, she caught a lot. Now, boys and girls, let's try another story problem with the word more, but this one is a little different. We've got to read it really carefully. Maggie read 24 books last month. She read 7 more books than her brother. Oh, so wait a minute. So her brother actually read fewer books than her. She read 7 more than him. How many books did her brother read last month? So this problem is a little bit different from the last one we did. But we still want to show those 4 important things. Let's work on our picture. Maggie read 24 books. Okay, I'm going to show, let's see, my books just as rectangles. Let's see what I can do here. I'm going to make some rectangles so they kind of look like books, but it also kind of makes a bar graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so up to there is 10. Those are 10 books, but she read 24, so we need another 10. Okay, 1, 2, let's keep going a little higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm trying to make my books all kind of the same size. So we have 10 here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here's another 10. I'm going to label that. Let's see, Maggie read 24 books. Oh, we still need that extra 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just put a 4 there so I remember. And these are Maggie's books. So it's kind of a picture, kind of a bar graph. I guess it's a picture graph. She read 7 more books than her brother. So she read this many, so her brother read 7 less than she did, or 7 fewer. So we're going to go back a little bit. If we take out this book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These were the 7 more books that Maggie read. She went all the way up to 24 books. But her brother, we don't know his name, her brother only read this many books. So we've got to count those. Look here, I've got a 10. And let's see what I've got here. 2, 4, 6, and 1 more. This is 7. Okay, so to answer the question, how many books did her brother read last month? Well, he read these 2 numbers together. So 10 plus 7, and we know how to do that just in our heads, equals 17. So here's my sentence, my final sentence. Maggie's brother read, so we've got to use the word books, we've got to use the words last month in our sentence. Maggie's brother read 17 books last month. Now I just want to make sure that this is correct. Maggie read 24. She read 7 more books than her brother. If I add 7 to 17, do I get 24? Well, 17 plus 3 makes 20. I'm just going to check it over here. 20 plus 4 equals 24. So, yep, this is correct for her brother. Maggie's brother read 17 books last month. Ooh, these were tricky, boys and girls. Well, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.